If you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep watching. Hello and welcome to Life with Peshi. This is Peshi. If you are new, welcome. Let's get right into the video. So first I'm going to take just a few braids and make a box braid at the top of my head so that I make a little bun, and then after that, when we are making the big top knot bun, it will have somewhere to sit on, right? So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. So take note that I'm only doing this because my hair is way too short and I cannot hold it all together into a ponytail. But if your hair is long enough, then you can just skip this stage. Well, to all my returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much for always supporting this channel. Thank you. So again, if you are new and if you find value in this video, consider subscribing by just clicking the subscribe button that is down below, and then the notification bell so that you get notified each time I release a new video. All right, it's free to subscribe. Just click the button. Thank you. Next thing, I'm going to use my eco styling gel to apply it all over my hair, like just to massage it into the hair. Take note that I've already moisturized my hair. I've washed it already and it's all nice and soft. So here I am, I'm applying the eco styling gel. So you have to apply a generous amount so that you can put it all together. I put it into a bun with the help of that box braid, and then after that I let it dry. That takes about 4 hours or so, or you can just blow dry it. I spray some olive oil, sheen spray, just so that the scarf that I'm about to put on won't stick on the hair. I'm going to be using these 2 packs of braids. Well, you can use any kind of braid that you want. These are so inexpensive, guys. You can get these two for just $1 and you can look cute. Just $1 and you look cute. Imagine that. So I'm just gonna put all of them together, and then I take my scrunchie and I put it like that so that I can attach it to my little bun at the top, just like that. It's so easy, guys. You just fold it in half and boom, you're done. So I'm going to start by folding the other half. I just kind of twist it and I fold it. I twist it and I wrap it around, just like that. Twist it, wrap it around until it's cute. And then when I'm done with that, I'm going to do the other side as well. And then I'm going to secure it with my bobby pins and I'll be done. Enjoy the video. So this is actually my first time trying out this hairstyle, and all I can say is I am so excited. I'm happy with the results. If you've made it this far, please remember to subscribe and like, comment, and share if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Bye. I'll see you in my next one.